Um, Meta, welcome. Meta says, hey Dennis, hey Meta, how are you? Let us know where you're from, Meta. Leo says, in New York, the weekend started yesterday. Okay. You know, in New York, it feels like every day is the weekend, right? I mean, you can always find a warehouse club or a private club or something to go to in New York, right? So New York, it's always the weekend. Rahul says, yo, Dennis, I was busy yesterday. Oh, hey, nice to see you, Rahul. Hope you're doing well. I think you're out in India, so hope you're doing well. 8A6C, let us know where you're from. Go ahead and introduce yourself, please. That's how we start off. We start off, for people joining, we start off with our global roll call. We ask people to just let us know their city, state, country, province, and so on, okay? Parimal Deshpande says, hello, sir. Hey, Parimal, how are you? Good to see you. I think this might be your first time here. I don't recognize the name, so I hope you're doing well, Parimal. Let us know where you're from, Parimal, and I'll come back to your question, okay? But let us know where you're from. Patrick says, good morning, all. Hey, Patrick, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. So if you see that blue wrench next to Patrick's name, that means Patrick is one of our moderators. You're also going to see it next to Joseph. So if you see, and then you're also going to see a sword next to Rex, who's our moderator on Twitch. So if you guys see that, you know, give them a shout out. They really helped me out with the moderation. So thank you a lot to Patrick, Joseph, and Rex. Parimal says, I am from India. You can't just tell me India, man. India's a big country. You got to tell me where you're from. 8A6C, I'm from Egypt. What part of Egypt? Let us know. I've always wanted to visit Egypt. I've gotten close. I've been to Morocco, but never Egypt. Leo says, I don't support self-driving cars also. I do support AI applications for public transportation instead. I think they're still trying to create a utopian future from the 80s. Self-driving cars, robots. Yep, I agree, Leo. And don't get me started on robots. Oh my gosh. I think people have robots completely backwards in how we'll use them and when they're going to come along. Yeah, the short version is, guys, robots in the home are far off in the future. People equate it to, oh, we have AI, so robots must be right behind it. It's not. Honestly, it probably won't happen in some of our lifetimes, especially for an old man like me. It probably won't happen in my lifetime. That's how far away I see. I'm talking decades, not years. But yeah. Leo says, I believe that this mindset can kill AI, to be honest. Yeah, Leo, I agree. You know, AI is going to be, it's going to be used, but it's not going to be visible. The AI of the future, of the immediate future, like I'm talking within the next 5 years, will be vast, but not visible. It'll be working behind the scenes in ways that you won't even recognize. So I agree with that. Rahul says, then why is Elon Musk worried about consciousness in AI? Because it makes great headlines. It makes great headlines. That's the only reason. Look, don't misunderstand this.